Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's haul is from the Dollar Tree, and it's not going to be a very big haul because my Dollar Trees have not had hardly anything in. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's just my area. I just don't know. But so I am going to show you just a few things that I did get, which I'd say most of them are new to my store, or at least new to me. With the exception of a couple of things that I've seen that Dollar Tree has pretty much all year round. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So the first two things that I found are these liquid hand soaps by Dial. You get 8.5 fluid ounces. And I don't think I've ever used the Dial hand soap before. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't think I have. So this one right here is the aloe vera and jasmine, which I love the smell of jasmine. So I did grab that one. And then this one is the tropical breeze. So what I plan on doing with these is I'm not going to leave them in this container. I'm just going to pour them into a container that has a pump on it because I prefer a pump when it comes to hand soaps. Just if your hands are dirty, you don't want to have to pick up a bottle with a dirty hand. You know, you'd rather I'll just pump with the heel of my hand or something to get it out. But anyway, so I did grab these two soaps. I don't know if they have any other scents. Those were the only two that my Dollar Tree had. Okay, so this is new. I have never seen this at my Dollar Tree before, but they only have these three to choose from, so I just grabbed one of each. But they are these shampoo bars. I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree before, so I don't know if this is a new thing. I'm thinking it is. But it's by Body and Earth, and it says moisturizing formula with olive oil and coconut oil, 1.76 ounces, lasts up to 50 washes. Travel tin is included, and this one is in the scent Berry Bliss. So I have never used a shampoo bar before. Now I know they had like a soap. Was it a soap or a body wash or something here a while back that was by Bodycology that looks kind of like this, but I've never seen a shampoo bar before. I've never used a shampoo bar. So anyway, I found that. And then this one is Ocean Waves, and it says that it's volumizing formula with seaweed extract and sea salt. So I grabbed that one. It's sort of like a teal green color. Sorry about the glare. And then this last one is fresh mango. It says it's refreshing formula with lemon oil and coconut oil. So I don't know. I'm excited to try these. See how they work. I don't know. I think that's pretty interesting, a shampoo bar. Has anybody else used shampoo bars before? Do you like them? I've never tried them, so I'm excited to try it. Okay, so I had to get these. These are so cute. They are the men's socks, and these are, they have little trucks all over them. I think that is so cute. I mean, if you're someone that likes, you know, farm trucks or whatever, but and I know these are for men, but I still wear them. I still get men's socks and wear them because, I don't know, this is a really cute pattern, so I had to get it. So I did just grab, I only got one though. So I grabbed that one. I'm trying to control my sock habit. I know. It's a problem. Okay, so this is kind of boring, but I needed some of these, and it's the binder clips by Jot. You get 12 in here, and they're just assorted colors. I was trying to find the ones that had a little bit more in it. I thought that they carried some that had more, but these were the only ones that I could find, so these are the ones that I got. But I like that they're different colors. Okay, so these I think are new. They are by Crafter Square. You get 7 brushes. It's a brush set, acrylic handle, and now I know they have all kinds of paint brushes at the Dollar Tree that are the Crafter Square ones, and I really like them. I have purchased them before, but they usually come in like 2 or 3 in a pack only, and I mean, you get 7 in here, and these are sort of like the more detail type brushes. So I did go ahead and grab these, and I do like the ones that I picked up before that I have gotten. I really like them. So anyway, I thought I'd give these a try because, I don't know, something new, and I was needing some of these detail brushes. So I'm glad I found those. Okay, so I have been needing a stylus. I play this game on my phone, and it's a coloring game. It's an adult coloring game, and I have to use my finger. And sometimes I'll have to blow the screen up, like zoom in, just so my finger can hit on the spot that needs to be colored. And so I figured maybe if I got a stylus, it would work better. So anyway, I found these. I think the brand is RD. You get 2 in a pack. It's 2-in-1 stylus ball pen. And they did have these in different colors, but I just picked up the green and the black ones. So you can see the stylus is on the end there, and it's also an ink pen. So, I mean, I thought that was pretty cool. And I was trying to find one that was just a stylus, and I couldn't. They were all ink pens. So I don't know. I thought I'd go ahead and get this though and try it. One of these days I'd like to get me an iPad, because I love to play games on my phone, but my phone, I don't want to put a bunch of apps on it and like use up all my memory. So, because I have a cheapy phone that I bought from Walmart through Straight Talk. And so, yeah, it's just a cheapy, it's a Motorola. So anyway, I just don't want to use up all of my memory. So I would love to have an iPad so that I can just to play games with, really. So I've been trying to find, iPads are so expensive. I just don't know why I would want to pay like $1,000 for an iPad for something that I'm just going to play games on. But I've heard that the iPads are better than like, you know, a cheaper version, or maybe like the Amazon Fire, because I know I've had Amazon Fires before and I really like them. The only thing is that whenever you want to download apps, you can only download the ones from Amazon or something like that. So I don't want to. I want to be able to have a wide range of choices, you know, of apps that I can download. So anyway, that being said, I know, long-winded. I got 2 of those, so I'm ready to try those. Okay, so I cannot believe that I found this. This is so cool. It is this wooden sign. I love this thing. It does say family across it in the metal wording, and this right here is like marbleized, and then you've got the wood. But this is just like a sticker, you know. It's not painted on there or anything like that, but this is like a wooden round. I think it's like MDF board or something maybe. And then it also has a little hanger back here that you can hang it if you want. But I thought this would be really cool maybe to redo. Like, I'm thinking about taking off this wording right here and maybe painting it or something like that, doing something a little different to the front and using this in a wreath. So that's the reason why I got it, was just to make, to use in a wreath. So anyway, I was excited to see this. They did have some that were like triangles. I think it was 2 or 3 triangles. I think it was meant to look like mountains or something. So they had that, and then they had one other one. I can't remember what that one was, but I was just really interested in the round one. So I did just grab one of those. Okay, so, and that was over in like the home decor section where the pictures and things like that are. While I was over there, I noticed they had some new wall art, some new canvas wall art, and I seen this, and I had to get it. It says sort, wash, and fold. And I got this because I am redoing my laundry room, which it really isn't a room. It's more like a closet, a laundry closet, because it's smack dab in my hallway. And it just has bifold doors, which my next house that I get, I'm going to have an actual laundry room because I hate having a laundry closet. You can't do anything in it. Washer and dryer goes in there, and that's about it. Nothing else. You don't have a folding table, a place to hang anything, any of your laundry. So, yeah, my next house, I'm gonna get a laundry room. But we are redoing my laundry room closet and making a shelf and everything. And if you follow me on my social medias like Facebook and Instagram, once I get that completed, you'll see pictures of it. I'll post pictures so that y'all can see it. But anyway, so I got this to hang in there. I think this is really cute. So I was excited to see that. And I have been seeing other people haul the ones that have like, I think they have a barn or something on them. And I love barns. I love barns. Pictures of old barns. I just love it. I'm trying to do like a whole gallery wall. I guess you'd say it's a gallery wall of just barns, like barn pictures, because I'm obsessed with barns. But anyway, I went ahead and grabbed that so I can hang it in my laundry room. Okay, so now I was down by the floral parts, like where the wreath forms and foam balls and glass vases and all that is. And I could not believe that I found these. They are these lemons, or not lemons, but limes. And I was hoping that they had some lemons because I think they've carried lemons like this before. But they didn't have any. All I seen was the limes. But you get 3 in here, and they are by Floral Garden. So I did get 2 packages, and I probably should have grabbed more because I like to use these for home decor, but also to put as like embellishments or whatever in my wreaths that I make. So I was excited to find these, and these would be way more than $1 if you were to get these from like Hobby Lobby, because I have seen these similar to these in Hobby Lobby, and they are very expensive. So, I mean, to get 3 for $1, that is a really good deal. So, if you see these and you decorate or whatever, or even if you make wreaths, this is awesome. Okay, so I am still organizing my craft room, trying to get that all together, and we are also trying to redo my craft room. Over the weekend, we hung a pegboard up on the wall so that I can have a place to hang some of my craft supplies. But, so that is a work in progress. Also, if you follow me on social media, I'll, have pictures posted there whenever it's all said and done. And if you don't know, where to find me on like Instagram or, Facebook, it's just Jamie's Creations YT. So anyway, I found these, and I know I've seen these being hauled. They do come in several different colors. I like to stick with more neutral colors because that's just my color scheme. But I've just grabbed 2 of these. So these are like they're by Essentials, and they're just calling them a basket. It says ideal for countertop and shelf storage. So I did grab 2 of them. And I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to put in here. I was thinking about maybe, I don't know, maybe my ribbon in here, or I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to put in here exactly, but whatever I put in here, I'm sure, you know, it'll be a good thing. So I don't know. I just can't wait to get my craft room done because y'all should see it. It is a disaster. Okay, so the last two things that I found are these containers. Now, I know they have these pretty much all year round. I've seen other people haul them. I did grab 2 of these, and I didn't get these necessarily for my craft room, but I probably should have. Probably should have picked up some more. But I got these because, and they have this foldable lid or whatever that snaps on there. I got these because I have a lot of like medication and vitamins and supplements and things like that that are just taking up a lot of space in my cabinets. And so I thought I would get 2 bins, one for me and then one for my husband for the medications that we take and our vitamins and things like that we take. So they're not, you know, taking up a lot of room in the cabinets. I figured I could just designate one for him and one for me and put our medicines and things like that in there and then stick them in the cabinet. Maybe they'll be a little more organized. So anyway, I did grab 2 of these, and they do have them in different color tops. But like I said, I like the gray, the more, you know, neutral colors. So I did grab 2 of those. So anyway, that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Hopefully I can get another Dollar Tree or 2 up this week, and I'm also working on some DIYs. And let me tell you something, DIYs are super hard to film and edit, and my internet is super duper slow. So it can take me like 8 hours to upload a 15-minute video. So it's ridiculous. But I live in a rural area, so where I live, we don't have high-speed internet is not readily available. So we have to just, you know, if we want internet, just get what we can because there's nothing really to choose from out here. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, follow me on all my social medias, Facebook and Instagram. I do have those linked in the description box down below. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys are having a good day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!